Hello everyone, my name is Tang Yulin. Today I will talk about the 4 major management challenges in a shared bike project. This is my content. It has 6 parts: intro, budget overrun, scope creep, conflict of interest between the government and private partners, instability of the technical platform, and conclusion. This is my introduction. Share bikes become popular because cities want cleaner and more efficient transportation. However, after the project started, many governments and optional problems appeared. Working with many parties made coordination difficult, and the heavy use of technical increased the project complexity. So in this presentation, I will focus on 4 key challenges: budget overrun, scope creep, conflicts of interest in the 3P model, and technical instability. The first challenge is budget overrun. In the beginning, the team underestimated maintenance scheduling and wear and tear costs. There was no life cycle cost analysis, so the budget kept growing. Software updates were also not included at first, which later created extra pressure. To solve this, the project should include full life cycle cost and prepare an emergency fund. A dynamic budget monitoring system should be used. Before the project starts, several rounds of cost assessments should be done, and both financial experts and project managers should review the budget together. The second challenge is scope creep. During implementation, new ideas such as a point system, AI scheduling, or experimentation to new areas were added. These ideas may improve the service, but they also use more resources, delay the schedule, and move the project away from its original goal. The key is not to stop challenger, but to control the challenger process. Every one new request should go through an impact assessment and receive formal approval. To prevent scope creep, the project should start with a clear script statement. A good communication system is needed so everyone understands the scope creep. Regular scope creep review meetings can help catch small issues before they become big problems. The third challenge comes from interest conflicts in the 3P model. The government cares more about social and environmental benefits. Private companies focus on profit and market share. These different goals can slow down decision making and lead to uneven resource allocation. To improve this, a joint steering community should be created with members from both sides. The community can use multiple KPIs, such as user satisfaction, daily usage, and carbon reduction, to align the goals of both parties. During the contract stage, responsibility, revenue sharing, and dispute resolution should be clearly defined. A third-party evaluation agency can help make performance assessment fair and reduce conflicts. The first challenge is technical instability. The project depends on many systems working together: apps, GPS, payment, and database. Without on-file technical standards, problems such as system crashes, location delays, and data loss can easily happen. In early versions, the system could handle heavy traffic during peak hours, and the user had a bad experience. To fix this, each module should be tested step by step before going online. A fast rollback plan is needed so the system can switch to a backup version when something goes wrong. In the early stage, a quality assurance plan should be made, and an independent technical consultant should review the system. On-file data interface and technical standards should also be created to ensure long-term stability. In conclusion, the shared bike project shows complexity of building a small city and the conflicts between different project goals. The 4 challenges: budget, scope, interest conflicts, and technical are common problems. To improve future projects, we need a strong project governance structure, better risk assignment in the early stage, and regular communication with stakeholders. Only with good planning and continuous monitoring can shared bike projects achieve social, economic, and environmental benefits. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.